Hey girl, hey, welcome back for today's clean and decorate with me of my master bathroom. Yeah, it took me so long to find something that I actually liked for the master bathroom. So I hope you guys really enjoy it, and if you do, don't forget to give me a thumbs up down at the bottom and leave me a comment of what your favorite part of the video was. So I'll be trying a few new bathroom cleaning products that my mom told me about during her stay here last month, and this method cleaner is one of them, and y'all, it smells so good. So this will be a keeper.
Just give me your all, just give me your all. So let's fly into a dream I won't deny. I'll show it, let's go for gold. Let's go for gold.
I want to apologize early for some of the angles, and you are going to be able to see my ring light and some shots, but the bathroom is small, so did the best I could. This Clorox toilet bowl cleaner is another one of the new cleaning products I've been using, and I absolutely love it. It really has taken away the hard water stains that builds up in my toilet from this hard water here. So yeah, if you're not using Clorox toilet bowl cleaner, get you some.
just give me your all. So let's fly into a dream I won't deny. I'm so in love, let's go for gold. Yeah, yeah, let's go for gold. So let's fly into a dream I won't deny. I'm so in love, let's go for gold. Yeah, let's go for gold. Yeah.
The last new cleaning product that I'm going to be using will be this Dollar Tree foam glass cleaner that my girl Tamrika Shelly put me onto, and y'all, it might be replacing Sprayway. I don't know. The scent is amazing and the clean is even better. Like, no streaks, and the smell is way better than Sprayway. So thank you, Tamrika, for that plug, okay? And if you guys are not following her, then you are missing out on some amazing cleaning motivation. So I'll be leaving the link to her channel in my description box. Well guys, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed this clean and decorate, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you are new here and have not yet subscribed, please do so on your way out. And I'll see you guys next week for another video.